Okay. You heard that?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are going to review rounding. So before we begin, I want us to look at some rounding. We're going to round to the nearest 10 and 100. You guys remember doing that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, well, let's look over here at the board real quick and I'll go over some examples before I start. Okay, so what do I do if I want to round to the nearest 10?
You look at the one place.
No, if I want to round to the nearest 10,
You like go up or down?
what do I do, Bella?
It's not close to 500.
Where do I want to look in the number?
10.
In the 10th place. So remember that we underline whatever we're trying to round to, we're going to underline. So if I want to round to the nearest 10, I have to underline the 10th place. The number beside of it determines if the 6 stays the same or goes up. Is the 1 going to make the 6 stay the same or go up?
Stays the
Stays the same. Everything in front stays the same. Everything behind, zeros their name. So if I wanted to round 561 to the nearest 10, it would be 560. What if I wanted to round 725 to the nearest 100? What do I underline?
The 100.
The 100th place, the 7. My neighbor is going to tell the 7 to either stay the same or go up.
Stay the same.
Stay the same. Everything behind?
Zeros their name.
Okay, let's do one more practice. 175 to the nearest 10th place. Is the 5 going to make the 7 go up or stay the same? Go up to what?
80.
Everything in front stays the same. Everything behind, zeros their name. Good job. What do you need, Jason? Okay, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to practice rounding. Because next week we have our big unit test. So let's review everything we've learned so far in the year. Today we're only going to focus on rounding. So if you haven't noticed already, I have 5 stations set up for studio. So the first one is the Mondo pad. So you're going to come up here and you're going to have to drag a check mark under yes or no. If it is correct, you're going to put the check mark under yes, that's correct. If it's no, you're going to drag the check mark to no, that is not correct. So, okay. Now, that's much better. And then at the very end, you're just going to round to the nearest 10, nearest 100. So look, this is how you move the check marks, okay? You tap it and drag it. Okay? So this is Studio 1. Studio 2 is called I Spy. If you notice around the room, there are 10 number lines with a number on them. You have to tell what 2 10s the number is between. So, for example, number 1 is 87. What 2 10s is 87 between?
80 and 90.
80 and 90. So you're going to have sticky notes, and you're going to put 80 here, 90 here. But make sure you keep up with that on your sheet, too. Okay? You're going to put this onto your clipboard and take it around with you. Third studio is toothy math. So, when you get to the back, you're going to find your toothy mat. You're going to sit down with your group, and you're going to play toothy back here. You already have your markers, the toothy cards, and erasers back here. Please do not move my crates. Okay? Let's just leave those where they are. Then we have 4, which is an I-ready assignment. Normally, when we go to I-ready, we go to my path. Today, it is different. What are we going to, Gabby, instead of my path? Assignment. So when you open up your screen, click math, and on the left side, it's going to say assignments due. It's a rounding assignment. It's only 5 questions. Okay? The very last studio, and we've done these before, it's been a while, but it's a rounding color by number sheet. So, yes, remember doing this? So you're going to have to round these first and then color. So you're only rounding to the nearest 100 on here. Okay? Now, I have a checklist, which is why you have your clipboard. I want you, as I give this to you, I want you to put your name on it, and I want you to put it in your clipboard like this right here. Sometimes you guys like to do this. That doesn't really make a whole lot of sense, does it? Let's turn it and put it like this. Okay? So this is just a checklist, and it has my I can statement on there. I can round to the nearest 10 and 100. I also included an anchor chart on here. Just a little picture. If you get stuck, you can refer back to it. So as you go throughout your studio, you're going to put a check. So say Cash starts in studio 3. When he has finished doing 2 feet math, he's going to say, check, I did that studio. What's next? Okay? He's going to go to I ready for studio 4. Check, I completed that. And at the end, what should all of these have? Check marks. Good. Okay. While I pass these out, does anybody have any questions?
No.
Yes, Peyton.
I never did that rounding thing. I wasn't here when you did the rounding thing.
You weren't? Okay, well, I'll work with you. Go ahead and put this in your clipboard. Write your name on it. I will be taking everything up at the end of class. So work hard, do your best. Yes, Ronnie. As long as I get it back.
Do your best and don't forget.
I don't know, what's your paper? So I'm gonna go ahead and put you in group. You will stay with that group throughout the whole time.
Oh, what's that?
Put your name on here. Put it on your clipboard. Put your name on there.
Where are you?
Right back there behind my desk. See ya. Okay. Does everybody have a clipboard and a paper?
I don't have.
One more thing.
Yes.
I'm gonna set a timer up here. You have 10 minutes at each studio. Okay? So when this timer goes off, guess what that means? We're gonna hit the next studio. If you do not complete something, it's okay. No need to panic. And I didn't finish. You should have enough time, but if you don't, it's okay. Don't panic. Okay? I'll just check what you have. Do your best to get everything finished in each studio, though. Okay. Now, I'm going to put you in group. I'm going to give you a number. Hold up that number. 1. No, you're 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Hold your hand up. Okay. 1, 2. Colton, you're 3. Brooke, you're 4. Brooklyn, 4.
No, you didn't tell me about that.
Okay. Jacob, you're 5. 1, Kylie. Out of your 1. 2, Gabby. We're gonna make you a 3.
Okay.
And then Trey, you're gonna be 4. Peyton's gonna be 5. 1.
My fingers hurt from putting up 3.
2, 3. Okay, now slowly and quietly, I want all of my ones to bring your clipboards because remember, you're gonna have to check off the studios as you complete them. Studio or group 1, come, you're studio 1 first. Group 2, walk quietly with your clipboard and your pencil up here to keep your eyes 5 feet.
It's fun.
And I also have your sticky notes for you. Go over there and get your sheet.
Isabel, I'm with this. And I'm with
Studio 3, you guys are going back to 2 feet. Studio 4, get your Chromebooks out, go to your assignment on iReady. Studio 5, you are starting your color by number. Yes, focus. The what? And if you don't have your notes, just borrow somebody else's from another class. Then just borrow somebody else. All right, I'm setting the timer. 10 minutes.
Oh no. We're done.
Here, start, and I'll get you. I'll go next.
I don't want to go back today because
What's talking Oh, thanks.
When we get down here, do we have to?
Okay, guys. Good job. So 80 and 90, now get up, put your stick now in your board, and go to number 2, the next one. 80 and 90, come on. Okay, well then, you can go do that, and I'll fix the sit up. You don't have the eye splash sheet, Jay, you have to put the eye splash sheet.
Where's the textbook? You can just put yes. Because it's 8. Yeah, but it goes to 6. Okay. Yeah, because 8 is 5. This way, the number is what the color all of the ones.
Yes.
7 more minutes. Yeah. 7 more minutes.
Hey, babe, you gotta get over here and sit down. You gotta finish it. Well, did you guys delete them? Because they were there. Look, if I'm writing, here's my 100 place. If you ain't making the top cents, you know it. Everything behind, give it there. So you just cover all the ones. Okay, hang on. You guys deleted them. Yeah, move that over there. Okay, wait, hold up. You guys put 700 items in the closet. So, 16. Okay, so now we're going to the next thing. What's the next thing?
The color This is a lot of wood. And it's like what? It's a lot of wood. Yeah. I need to I guess we can see this. You just have another. You can put it straight like a thing. The next one is Remember the number. Round to the nearest 10, it's 750. That's not 7 miles.
Just saying, I need to get dressed.
Let's see what's number 2. That's not right in there.
Okay, guys. We are going to. I know, it's okay.
Number 2.
Okay, guys, 20 seconds.
It's done.
Okay. Class.
Yes, yes.
Class, class.
Yes, so yes.
Okay. We are going to switch studios. Studio 1, you guys are going to 2. Studio 2, you guys are going to 3. Take your clipboards with you. Go ahead and check off your first studio. Studio 3 is going to 4. 4 is going to 5. 5 is going to 1.
Where's the pen for Einstein? There's only 3.
Remember, I said I'm going to take it up, all of it up at the end.
Where's the paper?
Everything you need is right
Miss
over there.
Montgomery.
No, we gotta do the.
Miss Montgomery. I need studio.
Go to the first screen.
That's the taking.
No, Jacob, go to touch the first slide. Thank you, Jacob.
It doesn't work. What is it?
That is wrong.
That's not wrong.
It's not wrong. This is
Where do I get the asphalt rounding parts?
That's what I just did. No, you have to you moved it up here. Oh, yeah. 341 yeah, it's 20. So it's 2. It's 785. No. Yeah.
Is it?
No, it's not close to the 30. It's not close to the 30. No. It goes to no. That's a big number. That's a big number.
Now on that side. Now go over there.
586, 586, not go back there. 600. That is right. And then 125. No. Okay. 235 rounded. Wait. 235 rounded. No. Okay. 890. It has to be because it's close. No, I said that's a no. Now that one. No, this is 9. No, it ain't. Look, 890.
You don't have to tab and then on the left.
Tell him that 920. I mean, that's 924. I mean, 890. No, it's closer to 900. 90. Another. No, that's not true. Like, we're gonna. Over here. Around here. Now this one is wrong. Stop. This is right, Ron. I mean, this is 890. One more chance there. Well, you can never make the 90 what? No. This is the nearest here. It's 900. This is 0 make the 9 go up now. That's not what I think. 921. No. You just I know.
890 is
Closer to 900.
but 890 rounded to the nearest 10
If you put
is
one more
900.
10,
But the 0 makes the 9 stay the same. Good job. Don't let them trick you.
I've been, because they've been accidentally doing it and.
Well, we're missing a whole problem.
We did this one. That's 10. What do we do when we're done with that?
Okay, now you can just go to my tab. The time is up. My tab.
This one is no. This
What do we do on that bottom part at the top? Where
Well, what did the directions say?
Round. It says round.
There you go. So then round that number to the nearest. Oh,
I know. Well, is it showing us the answer? Is this showing you the answer, or is it rounding it?
it wants you to round it. You guys just deleted the text box. Look.
Oh, hey, I see you with the TV and like the angels and I think
Yeah.
so that would be 800. Yeah, I'll so how far do you think that is? Oh, you said 90. 800. No, let's make it this way. Go here. Read it. Okay. Leave this on. Yeah, do that.
Okay. But look, here's your number 2. You colored all of your 2s brown, but look at this. If I'm rounding to the nearest 100, there's the same as the same as always. Same. If it's 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4,
Miss
stay the
Montgomery,
same. If it's 5,
we're finished.
6, 7, 8,
We're finished
9,
on it.
Okay, guys.
But
Our timer's getting ready to go.
it just disappeared.
Go ahead and move the answers back so that the next group can do it. It should be. So, use this to guide you. Class. Focus. Freeze, please. Okay, do I have everyone's attention? We are moving studios. If you're at studio 1, you're going to 2. 2 is going to 3. 3 is going to 4. 4 is going to 5.
Okay, 5 is going.
5 is going to 1. I'm going to give you 1 minute to get where you need to be before I start the timer.
Miss Montgomery, we're already. Miss Montgomery, where do we go? We already did
Okay,
that.
Jason, look up there. You're on studio 1 right now. Where do you go next? Nope, you hold on to it to the end. Yes, sir.
I wonder how it is after this. I know. We're number 5. Now we're going to 1.
And more four. So we
What are we saying?
Oh my God, what are we? So number three is going. Studio five. Seat or power by
Right here.
No, I'm not. Seat or power You're not No way, we're supposed to go. We gotta go. Are you in? Yeah, this is no. You're the I'm gonna go No, that's
So get your 10 place. What 10 is there?
I don't know what the wait. I'll take what I'm saying. We have
So
oh
my first number is
look at this.
480.
We have
Now what's my
we
next
have
number?
Wait, let's do this one. So she wants to do them for some. She wants to do this.
Yes, sir.
Is that the right one? Yes.
Okay, look, all you have to do is tap it, drag it.
This is kind of fun. Wait, no, that one. That one. Yeah. It's not like my What did he say? Well, five. Five. So that's small. No, yes, yeah. Yes. That's what. Okay, now it's you put yours in now. No, that's not. Six is up. Oh. No. Is this what? Do it. We did.
Oh, this one's 87, 89. This one's 480.
Well, I don't know. Okay, so we have to answer this. Okay, I know what this is. This is unreal. I like this TV. It's big.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Put your name on there, please.
Wait, where's mine?
Gabby, you should already be on already working.
Do it backwards.
Okay, look.
I love this music. He makes it. I know. Okay, so this is yes, you are. What's up here?
David.
You just read around the and here.
That's how we all
No. Okay, try your turn. Mine turn to your hair's so young. Are you scared? That's why maybe I'll ask her, what we do if we're done?
Check the second slide.
Yeah.
Hey, let's check them. Round it to the nearest 10 is 600. 586 rounded to the nearest 10 is 600.
Yeah.
890 rounded to the nearest 10 is 900. Why not? We'll round it to the nearest 10, 100. That's why you can only tap it, then move it. But why is this no? Trey, can you tell me why this is a no? 890 rounded to the nearest 10 is 900. Why is that? Rounded to the nearest 10. Yep. Okay, 924 rounded to the nearest 10 is 930. Okay, you guys need to look at these again. Look at that one again. No, the one I just said.
You just deleted the text. No. You can't click on Okay, here we go. Okay, just blame it on no, just blame it on this. Blame it on ZB. There we go. Then I'm gonna do one S. Well, you should have good, but is 50. I didn't know what to do. No. No, not. Like that.
Yeah, that's enough.
I like that.
Focus, focus. Everybody focus. It is time to switch studios. So let's rotate. Hold on to it. I'm taking everything up at the end.
I got half.
So now your free cash is coming in.
Okay. Hold on.
If you were number one, yes, you were number two, so you're going to put your phone.
What the heck?
So good. It's so nice and warm. I'm so angry. Taking these off so nobody knows. Oh, there we go.
Wait, delete this.
Class.
Yes.
Class of class.
Yes.
Okay, I have given this direction several times. I'm gonna give it one more time. Do not bring your papers to me. I'm taking them up at the end of class. Okay? Okay, Trey, you need to go do your thing.
That was hilarious.
Right here. Yeah, some of the answers.
The right answer.
This one's wrong. This is number one.
Wait, even though there's only 10.
You gotta close it. You gotta close No, I'm gonna do it.
Wait, no, we got answer again. Number one. Number one's on the board.
Okay, so. Yeah, that's right. That's right. What we're gonna do? I wanna do
87 goes back to 10.
No, wait, that's wrong. That's wrong. This is a yes. No, that is wrong. That's wrong. Look. Rounding to the nearest hundred. That's wrong. Oh, wait, rounding to the nearest hundred. Right on, done it.
We're gonna put it down.
Can do one? What is it? So, what's the last one? The last one. We don't have any more crowns. Because you have one. That one's wrong. No, that was wrong. That was wrong. First one.
What's the next one? 50, so 500.
I didn't do it.
Oh,
Oh, that's right. That camera's cool.
no, you don't have to.
This Montgomery, we don't have any more check marks.
Thank you.
This one's No, try to see the answer.
Okay.
This is round.
Hey, come back and get your board.
That is wrong. No, this is actually wrong. Look, and here's 100. Look.
Yeah, so
That's right. See, it's 6. This one. This one. No, that's wrong. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, you got it right. This one's wrong. Yeah. I like this one right. Okay, let me do this. Let me do Oh, this one's hard. Can do one. Let me do this. That's 700. No, that's 800. No, that's nearest 10. So that's 9. Yeah, no, wait, 790. That'd be 790. Yeah. Do this one. Can I do this one? Okay, that would be 400. No, that would be 500. No, that would be 400. This round is 100. Oh, so 500. 500. We're still gonna do this. We're still gonna do this. Okay, let me do it. Okay, I can do this. I know this. I know this. Okay, I can do this. I can do Let's check mark. See if we do this. Make sure our work is. Let's check mark. We have one left. No, we don't do that. Oh, we were. We're doing outside.
hold up.
I just wrote that. It won't come off when I try to erase it. This one is wrong. Yeah, I think we're done now. Okay, that's round is 10 years 10. That's wrong. Yeah, wrong. Okay, grab this. Okay, let this be fun now. I gotta do my shot. We're gonna do this a little bit down. Okay, I'm done with that. Oh, that's the only one. We have like one there. We have like 50 seconds. 59 seconds. We're done. We're done. Oh yeah, since we're done, we gotta move on. I already have the check mark, so yeah. We're like, yeah. Did I put the check mark back? Yes, please.
Hocus pocus.
Everybody focus.
It is time to do our last studio. Here,
I can't find them anymore.
I'll get this.
Gotta do our slide. I can't find them photos.
It is.
I'm ready.
Let's slow down. Right here.
You need this on your clipboard.
Oh, okay.
Those are here. 1 through 10, right? It says 20. We'll put 1 here, 1 here. Here. Here, boys.
No.
So like, both of them put his, you put yours under here, and I'll put his under here.
Don't get really close. Jaden. Okay, so get a hard to look like. Look at it. So you got it. What is it? Does this camera just constantly turn? Whoa! I can't even see it.
No? Okay. Okay, now maybe.
Oh, wait, I'm at one. Okay, so we gotta put a plus.
What's the least number around?
How much seat do you have?
There's 10. Don't forget this one, guys.
Yeah, that's getting hard.
You're up. All right. I don't know. Okay.
Just fix something. I already know. Okay. Oh wait, I think I will play. We gotta get a.
No, you're not adding anything. You're just putting two candles on 89. So now from here to this one, 163, what's your 10? So in your 10 place. Go down a 10, up a 10.
Yes. Okay, I finished my first.
It's like
Yes, baby. Jalen, I really want you to come over here and work with your group. This one's wrong. 809 down to 210.
I need to borrow the pen. Okay, where's the next?
Not 365. 370. Don't let that trick you.
Where's the next?
370 and 380.
This computer don't like me. No, because everyone's using it.
Jay, go to the other side of your group. Go over there with this one. Trey. Hocus pocus.
Everybody focus!
Okay, guys, let's clean up our areas and get back to our seats. Hold on to all your papers. I will be getting them all together at one time.
Check back over there. Can we put this up?
I mean, it should be at your seat.
Do we
You should
take
be
these
putting
or
it
these?
up at your seat.
I'm fixing backward check. How do you pull up the keyboard?
Why am I always going to the wrong seat? There's my seat. I can't get Daddy. I can't get my seat.
Addie, I love the way you are sitting so quietly. I'm gonna give you a tally. I love the way Jaden and Peyton are sitting quietly and following my directions. You will get a tally. Okay, thank you. Thank you, girls, for cleaning that up. Now I need all 3 sheets in a little stack. It should have your check sheet on top with your name on it, showing me that you completed all 5 studios. Look how Gabby has hers in a nice neat stack. That's the way I want yours. Take it out of the clipboard because I need to take it up.
I think it's only was able to do.
Okay. Okay. All right, before we leave, I'm going to give you an exit ticket. That means this is your ticket to exit this room. There are only 3 problems. This is should be a super quick, I know it or I don't. Okay? I don't want that right now, Brooklyn, honey. So I'm going to give this to you. I want it completed with your name on it. You are going to hand this to me on your way out the door. You are literally not leaving this room until I have it, okay? Again, there's only 3 problems. Now, number 1 says, which of the following numbers round to 320 when rounded to the nearest 10? You are not rounding 320. You are finding the numbers in the choices that do round to 320, okay? And I'm going to give you a hint. There's more than one. You may begin as soon as you get your paper. No wondering eye. The camera's watching for me too.
What camera? Oh, that? No, that.
Oh, I have several cameras.
Yeah, they're all over the place.
You may begin.
Just put them.
So again, the first one, which of the following numbers round to 320? So you're going to have to go through those one by one and see if it rounds to 320.
I'm done.
Okay.
Me too.
Number 3, the very last one says, there are 278 students at Porter Elementary.
I'm done.
The principal rounds to tell people how many students are at Porter. Rounded to the nearest 10, there are blank students. Rounded to the nearest 100, there are blank students. So you're just rounding that number. You may take a restroom break.
Oh, okay.
Colton, you may take a restroom break. You didn't do that.
Oh, thank you.
As I'm walking around. Go on to the restroom. Thank you. You can go take a restroom break. No, you need it. You too, yeah. It's not what it's asking for. Okay. Mhm. I think that's it. I mean, which of these rounds to 320 if you run to the nearest 10? You have to go through and decide.
I'm done.
We're going to talk my door.
I'm finished. I'm finished. Is this good?
Okay, you don't have to get it up. When you guys come back, you'll have to pack up. Okay.
What do I do if I didn't finish the, on the computer?
Oh, on the computer, you can do that tomorrow. So we'll do already. Yeah, go ahead. Well, no, you're not adding anything around it.
It looks like an owl.
Honey, read it. What does it say? Oh, do you? If you guys have already used the restroom, you can come over here and line up for Miss White's room.